The convertible certainly is the most treasured of all the Mustangs, and the first one. This is the one which defined our generation and the vehicle that everybody would like to own. And when you think of a Mustang, we think of a red Mustang with a convertible top and a white interior. That is a classic. You have a couple of options if you want to restore your classic vehicle or you want to own a 65. You can go to a boneyard, you can go pull a piece of rusty sheet metal out of that boneyard and try to put it together, or you can start with a fresh canvas, fresh metal. The panels have not been wrinkled from accidents. You're not going to be dealing with rust and Swiss cheese as you would dragging one out of a boneyard. The gauge on this vehicle is a little heavier than our original. It's also been reinforced in just the right places where we know that we can improve the rigidity of the vehicle. It's a very close replica, and the body parts from an existing Mustang will fit on this body shell. And if you have a Mustang that you are restoring, those parts will interchange with this body. We can actually build a complete vehicle. We have about 95% of all the parts necessary to build this car available now from our restoration licensees.